I was born in country, my Tibet, where the mountains kiss the sky, where the wind sings old prayers drifting by. Snow lines glow in the morning light. That land still lives in my soul forever.
Snow lions roar all alone. My children, don't forget. Peace will prevail. Truth never dies. Unification glow.
Grandfather's history carved in stone of a place we've always called our own country, my Tibet.
Long before the world drew lines, we were there through endless times.
I was born in country,
My Tibet,
in my heart,
through every mile,
through every tear,
I carry you.
wherever I'm here.
From the peaks to valleys deep,
In my blood,
your spirit keeps.
I belong, I won't forget.
My country, my Tibet.
Gay payul pagringang dudonayang
Kong re parchangye ngagane injeme ngai gal khab ngai bho.
Timro desh, timro Tibet, timro mutuma sadai rakhnu.
जति टाढा तिमी पुगे पनि तिम्रो माया कहिल्यै नमर्नु.
देश तिम्रै हुन् बिर्सिन कहिल्यै.
महान देश तिम्रो तिब्बत.
Prayer flags disseminate blessings, good fortune to all beings.
Echo songs of peace and compassion,
Footsteps left in ancient trails.
whisper truths the wind still tells.
We didn't choose where,
Time will go,
but roots like ours still.
always grow, even far from home's embrace. I see your light in every place. I was born in country,
My Tibet,
I was born in country,
my Tibet,
I was born in country.
my Tibet. No border can erase a name. No silence can put out the flame. Tibetan rise and hope, we stand in truth, holding on to roots of youth.
Mingi satan dup minui gra neki meche say me to but say rewai nang nai lang dan pai nang bhutan par nai shnui tawa zinai kyang.
तेरा देश तेरा तिब्बत, तेरे दिल विच सदा वसदा. भावें तू किन्ना भी दूर चला जावे, तेरा प्यार कदे नहीं मरदा.
देश तेरा ही है कदे ना भूली.
महान देश
तेरा तिब्बत. قلبك دايما مهما ابتعد كثيرا حبك لها لا يموت ابدا. الوطن وطنك لا تنسى ابدا.
يا من وطن نصيب تبتك
ونار ونكتة ونيدا يتل يبودum வாழ்கிறது.
நீ எவ்வளவு தூரம் சென்றாலும்
உன் அன்பு ஒருபோதும் மறையாது.
இந்த நாடு உன்னதே,
ஒருபோதும் மறந்திடாதே.
மகத்தான நாடு
உன் திபெத்.